There we go.
This one.
Yeah, another car.
Come over there.
You're all set. You're okay. What do you want?
Keys.
Keys? Where are you going to put the keys?
In my truck.
In your truck. You need keys for the truck? I don't have any keys.
In Mama's room?
You think they're in Mama's room? Where do you think they are?
No.
I don't have any keys, buddy.
Okay. I need my bag.
You need a bag? Bye. What?
I need my bag.
You need a bag? I don't have a bag with me.
Where's my... I want... Hold on. I get this.
You want to go inside and get a bag?
Yeah.
Or do you want to stay outside and drive the truck?
I see what it is.
You're gonna